Namaskar to all learners. We are doing Polynomials, second chapter of class 10th NCERT book. Now we will do question number 2 of exercise 2.3. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. मीन्स हमें ये बताना है कि ये पोलिनोमियल इस पोलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है या नहीं। देखिए, फैक्टर वो होता है जो गिवन नंबर को कंप्लीटली डिवाइड करे, मीन्स रिमाइंडर मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 0। इफ 15 इज ए नंबर देन 3 and 5 आर इट्स फैक्टर। सो इफ 15, अगर हमें इस 15 कंसिडर करें और अगर ये इसका फैक्टर होगा तो रिमाइंडर विल बी 0। सो वी विल डिवाइड दिस पोलिनोमियल बाय t स्क्वायर माइनस 3। इफ वी गेट रिमाइंडर एज 0 देन इट विल बी फैक्टर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट टर्म, डिवाइजर्स फर्स्ट टर्म इज t स्क्वायर एंड डिविडेंड्स फर्स्ट टर्म इज 2t रेज टू पावर 4। So for quotient's first term, there are two methods. Either you take idea कि t स्क्वायर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि 2t रेज टू पावर 4 मिल जाए, कि t स्क्वायर को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें 2t रेज टू पावर 4, 2t रेज टू पावर 4 मिल जाए। इट मीन्स 2t स्क्वायर से। अदरवाइज डिविडेंड्स फर्स्ट टर्म divide by divisors first term. Easily we get 2t square. So here we will write 2t square. Now we will multiply 2t square and t square minus 3. So 2 as it is, t square t की power 4, because when powers t square into t square, bases are same, so power will add. Laws of base and exponents. Again minus sign, 3 2 जा 6 t square, so under the term of t square minus 6 t square. For subtraction we will change the sign, plus minus minus becomes plus positive. Same values but opposite sign, so becomes 0. Now we will write remaining terms in standard form. Plus 6 minus 2 plus 4 t square minus 9t minus 12. Now for quotient second term, 3t cube divided by t square. So 3t cube divided by t square, we get 3t. So here we will write plus 3t and we will multiply 3t and t square minus 3. Now 3t multiply by this, so we get 3t raised to power 3 plus 3 minus 3 minus 9t and subtract minus plus. Same values opposite side, same values opposite sign, minus plus. So remainder is 4t square minus 12. Now again for third term in quotient, 4t square divided by t square, we get 4 plus 4 and multiply divisor and quotient's third term, 4t square minus 12 minus plus and remainder is 0. Since remainder is 0, hence we can say t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Part second, we have to tell that this polynomial is a factor of this polynomial, yes or no. So it will be our dividend and it will be divisor. If we get remainder 0, then it is a factor of this polynomial. So for quotients, first term of dividend is 3x raised to power 4 divided by x square. So we get 3x square. Now we will multiply 3x square and divisor. So 3x square multiplied by x square. 3x raised to power 4 plus 3x and 3x square. 9x cube plus 1 into 3x square plus 3x square. Now for subtraction, negative, negative, negative. Same numerical value and same algebraic value, exactly like terms with different sign. These are like terms, but numerical values are different. Minus 9 and plus 5 will become minus 4 x raised to power 3 minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 x square plus 2x plus 2. Now next term will be minus 4x cube divided by x square and we get minus 4x. So we will multiply minus 4x and our divisor. So minus 4x multiplied by x square minus 4x raised to power 3 minus again here plus, so in multiplication minus sign, 4 3 ja 12x square and minus 4x. For subtraction again sign change and it will cancel out. Minus 10 plus 12 we get positive 2x square plus 2 plus 4 plus 6x plus 2. Now for next term in quotient, 2x square, it will work as dividend and it is divisor. So divide by divisor's first term always. We get 2. So plus 2. And now we will multiply 2 and our divisor. That is 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Remainder is 0. Since Rx is equal to 0, hence x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x raised to power 4 plus 5x raised to power 3 minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Now same in third part, we have to tell that x cube minus 3x plus 1 is a factor of x5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. If it will be a factor, then we get remainder 0. So let's start divide. For quotient first term, same process, dividends first term divide by divisors first term. We get x square and that will be quotient's first term. Now in second step, multiply quotient term and divisor. We get x5 minus 3x cube plus x square. When we subtract, then we change the sign, down terms, different sign but same algebraic terms, cancel out, we get 0. Minus 4 plus 3 minus x cube plus x square minus x square. Again cancel out. We get plus 3x plus 1. Now for quotient second term, minus x cube, it will work as dividend. Minus x cube divided by x cube. So we get minus 1. So here second term is minus 1. Now multiply minus 1 and divisor. We get minus x cube plus 3x and minus 1. When we subtract, sign change, cancel out, and we get 2. This 2 is remainder. Since Rx is equal to 2, not equal to 0, hence x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor. Students, if you are getting this question, then please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you and have a nice day.